Noel will breeze by today. It's Hurricane Noel. The date, November 3rd, 2007. Yeah, so it's I don't know, 11:30 in the morning, and Noel has breezed by, but you see, actually, these are big waves, but they're not that big. So I would say Noel is off New York City now. It's not even a hurricane anymore. It's an extra tropical storm. You know, it's just a storm. And it's not even windy. I can't believe it. I thought it'd be windy, but I think that's because of this blocking the wind. I have a feeling if I walk down here, I'm going to experience a lot more wind. Yeah, they fixed this the end of the pier up. They put all these things here. Yeah, I can already feel the wind. I think this is low tide too. It wasn't. Well, it was like 200 miles, probably 200 miles off the coast or so. So, you know, if you didn't know that there was a hurricane out there, you wouldn't even have known there was a hurricane out there. Whatever that means. But I am surprised. You'd think there'd be surfers out here, wouldn't you? But, you know, putting on their wetsuits. Yeah, not really. I've seen bigger waves, much bigger. It's not really windy either. That's fine with me. Well, I wonder if there'll be swells tomorrow, because tomorrow's supposed to be sunny. It's even clear. I mean, you can see all the way down to Ocean City.